Good morning, everybody. Hey, who are the kings of the Godzilla engines? Go look around. There ain't that many companies out there building these Godzillas. We build tons of them. And again, why? Because we investigate and go through things. And when this motor first came out, Steve said he wanted to do Godzillas. We grabbed one and we tore it apart. We found out what the problems are with these motors. We corrected them. And we build one fantastic Godzilla motor. We build them all different kinds of ways. You want it, we'll build it the way you want it and the way you want it to look. Hey, we also got another Godzilla going to be going up. I don't know exactly when, but it's a supercharged yellow one. Man, that's going to be one badass one too, but they're all badass motors here. Here at Proformance Unlimited, we build one great crate engine and we build worldwide. Peace. Hey Jake, I got your 7.3 Godzilla here on the dyno. It's going to go into that 2005 Ford Mustang. It's going to be a great addition to that car. Definitely got to see some pictures on that car. It should be awesome. We're going to fire you up, give you a nice pull. Alright, fires right up, of course. Comes up. It'll come down to our target idle. Turn the brake on. We're about 173 degrees. Beautiful AFRs. Oil pressure is fantastic. IX beautiful. Everything's where we want it to be. This is our third pass. And we're going to roll.